आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्पल फेस्टात वांटेकार जावपा खातीर 40 वरांचो मुंबई गोंय सायकल प्रवास करून आनी दिव्यांगाचेर मात करून 6 सायकल स्वारांचो 3 टँडम सायकलीन गोंयांत येवकार। समाज कल्याण मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय आनी राज्य दिव्यांगजन आयुक्त गुरुप्रसाद पावसकर तांकां येवकार दिलो।
टँडम सायकली वयल्यान प्रवास करप हे खूब कठीण काम। वराक 20 ते 25 किलोमीटर ह्या सरासरीन तांणी हो प्रवास केलो। पर्पल फेस्टान वांटेकार जावपा खातीर हे तरणाटे गोंयांत आयल्यात म्हूण म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता अशें मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय हांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
It's a very difficult event. Actually, I would say that it is an event. One of the events that we have completed, and you have achieved right from 40, 50 speed and 20 speed. On an average, I would say that it is 20 speed. 20, 25 speed, and carrying a good pilots, and you have been trained, and it is for a purpose, a noble cause that you have come here in Goa. And on behalf of Government of Goa, I welcome you on this occasion. You landed in Goa with a special message for inclusion, in the mainstream inclusion, happy women. And I congratulate and compliment, and I appreciate the efforts that you have taken to reach to Goa with a good message to all of us. Let us treat all our Divyangs and person with disabilities with equality, and let us provide all this support for being with us, and we will treat them equally. We will provide equal opportunities to each and everybody, so that they will have a better life, and वो सम्मान से जी सकेंगे। और इनको सहायता करना और हमारे साथ उनको लाना ये हमारा कर्तव्य है, एंड वी विल सी टू दैट हम इसको निभाएंगे, और बेहतरीन ढंग से आपने उसको निभाया भी है। बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप यहाँ पे आए और आपने इंटरनेशनल पर्पल फेस्ट में एक ऊंची प्राप्त कर दी। यू हैव कैरीड अ स्पेशल मैसेज, एंड यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ स्पेशल मोटिवेशन एंड इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ दोज डिग्निटरीज और ऑल ऑफ दोज डेलीगेट्स who have come here. Thank you very much on behalf of Government of Goa, on behalf of the State Commissioner's Office of Persons with Disability. I welcome you all for the International Purple Fest happening in Goa. Thank you very much.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.